तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। जय हिंद, चलो दिल्ली। These words are not new to anyone. These were given by none other than Subhash Chandra Bose, who was an Indian revolutionary prominent in the independence movement against British rule of India. He is popularly known by the name Netaji, which was given to him by Adolf Hitler. Bose was born in a wealthy and prominent Bengali family on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa. His father, Janki Nath Bose, was a famous lawyer, and his mother, Prabhavati Devi, was a pious and religious lady.
Studied at the Presidency College in Calcutta, now Kolkata, from which he was expelled in 1916 for nationalist activities. He completed his graduation from Scottish Churches College in 1919. He was then sent by his parents to University of Cambridge in England to prepare for the Indian Civil Services. In 1920, Bose passed the civil service examination, but in 1921, after hearing of the nationalist turmoil in India, he resigned his candidacy. Throughout his career, especially in its early stages, he was supported financially and emotionally by his elder brother, Sarat Chandra Bose.
Bose joined the non-cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. Bose worked under the leadership of Chittaranjan Das, who was an active member of Congress in Calcutta. There, Bose became a youth educator, journalist, and a commandant of Bengal Congress volunteers. He regarded Chittaranjan Das as his political guru. From 1921 to 1941, Bose was imprisoned 11 times in different jails due to his stand for complete independence.
He used to believe that Gandhi's tactics of non-violence would never be enough to find independence and advocated violent resistance. Although Subhash Chandra Bose opposed Gandhi's philosophies, and he still used to call him patriot of patriots.
When the civil disobedience movement started in 1930s, Bose was already in detention for his association with underground revolutionary group the Bengal Volunteers. He was in prison while he was selected as the mayor of Calcutta. He was released and re-arrested several times for his suspected role in violent acts. In 1938 and 1939, Bose was elected as the president of All India National Congress for 2 times, but was felt bound to resign due to lack of Gandhiji's support.
On January 26, 1941, though closely watched, he escaped from his Calcutta residence in disguise and traveling via Kabul and Moscow, eventually reached Germany in April. He established the Azad Hind radio station in Germany, speaking in English, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati and Pashto, and led the Indian nationalist movement in East Asia. In May 1943, Bose arrived in Tokyo, traveling by German and Japanese submarines and by plane. On 4th July, he assumed leadership of the Indian independence movement in East Asia and proceeded with Japanese aid and influence to form a trained army of about 40,000 troops in Japanese-occupied Southeast Asia.
Azad Hind Fauj alongside the Japanese troops advanced to Rangoon and overland into India, reaching the Indian soil on March 18, 1944. In a stubborn battle, the mixed Indian and Japanese forces, lacking the advanced Japanese air support, were defeated and forced to retreat. The Indian National Army, nevertheless, for some time succeeded in maintaining its identity as a liberation army. However, with the defeat of Japan, Bose's fortune ended. Subhash Chandra Bose reportedly died in a Japanese hospital in Taiwan from burn injuries on August 18, 1945, as a result of a plane crash while fleeing Southeast Asia.
Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist who will always be remembered for his active and aggressive role in Indian freedom struggle. The government of India has decided to celebrate the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as Parakram Divas to honor the great freedom fighter and the founder of Azad Hind Fauj. He deeply believed in one individual may die for an idea, but that idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Netaji indeed led an exemplary life and inspired not thousands but millions of people.
Even after so many years, the death of Netaji is still considered a mystery. We at NSS Keshav Mahavidyalaya salute our great freedom fighter and the founder of Azad Hind Fauj.